Managing your bitwala private key securely is the foundation of protecting your cryptocurrency assets. Bitwala, now rebranded as Nuggs, allows users to interact with blockchain assets directly, but this access comes with responsibility. The private key is essentially the master key to your funds. If someone gains access to it, they gain full control over your crypto, and there is no recovery process through bitwala or any third party. The best tip for private key management is to utilize a hardware wallet in combination with bitwala's platform. Hardware wallets store your private keys offline, making them immune to online hacks and phishing attacks. Even if your computer is compromised, the attacker cannot access your hardware wallet without physical possession. Pairing this with a secure bitwala account ensures transactions can be signed securely while keeping the keys themselves completely offline. When setting up a hardware wallet, ensure that your recovery seed, usually a 12 or 24-word phrase, is stored securely in multiple physical locations. Never save the seed digitally on your phone, computer, or cloud storage, as these are vulnerable to hacking. Use fireproof and waterproof storage solutions to protect against natural damage. Memorizing portions of the seed as a backup is also an option for redundancy, but should not be relied on as the sole backup method. Regularly auditing your storage setup and confirming that your keys and recovery phrases remain secure is essential. Avoid sharing screenshots, messages, or emails that contain your private key. Treat your private key like cash in a safe, accessible when needed, but otherwise completely isolated. By keeping private keys offline, using hardware wallets, and maintaining secure recovery procedures, you ensure your bitwala assets remain under your control. This method minimizes risks, protects your investments, and provides peace of mind that your crypto is safe from both online and physical threats.